Do you know there's something you can plant during the cold winter months that's also super easy to grow? They're called Paperwhites, and they're one of my favorite choices for growing indoors during the winter months. In today's video, I'm showing you step by step how to grow these pretty flowers to cheer up your winter. Over the years, I've styled with Paperwhites on several holiday photo shoots for magazines. And this vignette even made the cover of Better Homes and Gardens Holiday Celebrations magazine. Paperwhites are native to the Mediterranean region and have been cultivated since ancient Greece and Rome. They're named for their paper-like flowers, which grow in clusters on tall stems. To start, you'll need to plan ahead, as Paperwhites take about 4 weeks to grow indoors. You can also plant Paperwhites in succession in different containers 1 week at a time. That way you'll have continuous blooms over several weeks. Start by choosing a container for your project, like this ceramic urn from my collection. I chose this urn because it doesn't have a drainage hole. I like using pebbles as the base instead of soil because it's less messy indoors. Start by adding white pebbles to the urn, filling the container 3/4 full, leaving some space at the top. Next, carefully insert the bulbs into the gravel, gently moving the pebbles around to steady the bulbs. Leave a little space in between each bulb. Continue until all the bulbs are planted and add a little more gravel if needed to secure the bulbs in place. Carefully add water to the container until it just touches the base of the bulbs. As the water evaporates over time, add a little bit more every few days, but make sure the bulbs themselves aren't submerged in water. The bulbs will grow roots, and those need to stay wet. Place your container in a sunny spot, but not in direct sunlight. Here's a simple trick to prevent your Paperwhites from toppling over as they're growing. When the stems are about 5 inches tall, just add vodka to the water. Don't worry, it won't make your plants tipsy. It just slows the growth so that the green part isn't too tall and won't be weighed down once the bulbs start to flower. And after 4 weeks, you'll have a beautiful container of Paperwhite flowers. These also make a lovely hostess gift, and they have a subtle musky fragrance too. When it's cold outside, this is a wonderful way to cheer up your home during the winter. I've linked all the products in the description box below to get you started. So go ahead and start growing some Paperwhites today. It's easy and fun. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe to see more videos about styling your home year-round. And visit homestylingworks.com for more ideas on how to make your everyday more beautiful.